Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, so in this video here, I just want to give you guys an update on the long-term view of the metals in this session here today. Pretty much nothing happening across the board when it comes to the actual stock market, but I want to give you guys a bit of a longer term view with what's happening right now, especially I'm going to focus on the silver and the gold in this video here, and to give you a really good detail of what I see happening moving forward. Do that there, guys. Make sure if you haven't done so, then make sure you grab that grab my brand new trading course, or my trading course right now. It's not brand new anymore, but it's a new trading course that I've created, and I'm doing a sale for just $7. So go to John's flash sale, or you can see the very first link in the description. If you don't want to get that, if you just want to grab a free trial to the Master Trader Lab, where you can get access to the free to the trading course, plus a whole bunch of other trading courses for free, or try it all out for free, then go to mastertraderlab.com. You can see the links in the description there. Now let's continue here, guys, with basically silver and gold here, and what the long-term view of all of these are at. So looking at these markets right now, and looking at what's going on right now, we've actually just started, we had the very first rate drop, okay? The very first rate drop. And so the very first rate drop is generally bullish for the metals. Now, if they continue, now first, before I say that, the charts are telling me now we are starting a big bull run, right? We are starting the big bull run, and I see an all-time new high for gold coming on over the next, 2 years. So that's what I see happening there. Yes, we're going to get pullbacks, and yes, we're going to get sideways movements and so on and so forth, but I definitely just see a big bull run coming in gold. And so, and especially if the rates go to, if we continue to drop rates back down to zero again, then it's probably going to be triggered if this whole trade war happens in the market. If the whole this trade war could trigger us into a recession. There's a lot of things happening there. So gold is definitely looking really good for a long-term move on the upside. Especially if the trade war continues to happen, that could tip us into recession. But also if they continue to drop rates, that's actually bullish. For the very first rate drop anyway was very bullish for gold. But looking at the charts here, I can definitely see a long-term move for gold there. But the one thing that I'm excited about is silver, because silver is nowhere near its highs up here at 44, nowhere near its highs. So that's one thing I'm really excited, because I do believe over the next, again, couple of years, 2 years or so, that we're likely to see some really exciting moves out of silver. And and then from that I do see a big bull market, especially when we've actually spent all this time just pretty much just going sideways through here. We got that price all of pretty much 2016, 17, 18, and all of 19 so far, and we've had a little run up. We're pretty much just sideways through here, right? Between the 20 and the 16 mark, that's all. 20 and say 14, that's where it's been for the last 1, 2, 3, say 3.5, 4 years. So because of that, right? Because of that, and because we're seeing that there right now, as you can see, right? Because we're seeing that there, that's what's happening right now in that there. But I definitely see fireworks happening. If things continue to unfold where they continue to drop interest rates, and things are happening with the trade war and stuff like that, then we're gonna, gold will soar. Gold will soar, and therefore, if gold's gonna soar, silver is gonna make some really exciting moves. And so for me, long term, I really like silver for a long term investing position. And obviously gold is a really good one, but for the return on investment, I do believe is going to be really good for silver. But obviously gold is going to be, they're both metals are going to be really exciting for the next move. So here's a bit of a long-term view. I know most of you guys that have been watching my videos, you see that I'm a very technical base, but I thought I'd introduce some other stuff that I see as well too when it comes to the fundamentals of what's happening right now where we are and moving forward for the next couple of years, and what that actually means for the metals, for silver and gold itself. So there we go, guys. I hope that helps you out. Once again, guys, if you haven't done so, then make sure you grab the trading course, or you can get access to the free trading course and a whole bunch of other things by grabbing a free trial to the Master Trader Lab. Links in the description below.